Okay, for homework 10-5, I want you to write all this work and then show me the 3 words to show me that you listen. I want you to see that this is an expression. If we tell you to evaluate, that means that's a fancy word for taking that x is 5 and putting 5 here, here, and here. That's what evaluate means plug in the number in the place where we want it. So where that x is, I'm going to put a 5. Still got my plus, still got another 5, a plus, one more 5, plus that 3, plus that 4. When I plug that in, now I could go left to right following order of operations. So 5 plus 5, 10. Bring down the other numbers. Don't touch those yet. Keep going left to right. 10 plus 5, 15. Plus 3 plus 4, 15 plus 3, 18, gives me 22. We want you to know that the first word, by the way, the first word is haze. Haze. We want you to know that we can take that expression and condense it, write it as an equivalent expression. Since I have 3 of those x's, I could write that as 3 times whatever that x number is going to be. And because I have 3 plus 4, I could combine those 2 numbers because they're plain numbers to give me 7. And I could use that. This is equivalent. Adding 3 x's plus 3 plus 4 is the same as 3 times x plus 7. Just know, never add these 2 right here. That is the worst thing you could do. Don't add. Unlike terms, you can't add numbers and x's. Only x numbers together, only plain numbers together. But the reason we do this is because this one is much easier to evaluate. When I take that x and replace it with 5 and then add that 7, a quicker way to get that same answer. So 15 plus 7 gives me 22, the same answer I got over here, but quicker, easier, less chance for mistakes. Second word is sun. Sun. All right, so I'd like you to write this one and then this one right here. I want you to not just plug in that. I want you to practice looking at the things that are the same that you can bring together before you plug in any numbers. I have 1, 2, 3. I have 3 of those x's. Again, I could write that 3 times x. And since I have 3, 4, and 5, I could add those numbers together, 7 to get 12. That is an equivalent expression. That is equivalent to that. No way, though, is it equivalent to that. No, that is the worst you could do. And then I could take that and plug in 6. Plug in 6 into the nice, neat one that you just did. Will give me 18 plus 12 gives me 30. The third word is dog. Dog. Good luck. See you tomorrow.